Hello friends, here I have got marks of 17 students in 5 different subjects, and I will show you how to get the total marks of all the students and get their percentages and how to find the one with the maximum marks. So here for getting the total, we'll write equal to sum and then bracket, and then we will select these 5 numbers for this row and click on enter. So in this way we can get the total. Now just go to this bottom right corner, this plus symbol will appear, and then you can drag this till the last number. So the same formula will be copied to all the cells. Okay, so now we have got the total of all these students. Next we have to find the percentage. For finding the percentage, we'll divide the total by maximum marks, which is 500, and click on enter. Okay, and now we will go to bottom right corner and drag this for all the students. Okay, and after this all these values are selected. So now click on this percentage symbol here at the top. So this will convert them to percentage. Okay, you can select percentage like this also. So here you will get the percentage up to 2 decimal places. Okay, so now we'll find the maximum. Maximum will be equal to max, and then we have to select this range and click enter. So the max here is 391, and we have to find minimum now. So minimum will be equal to min bracket open and then select this and click enter. So minimum here is 224. Yeah, this one is the minimum. So if you want to rearrange this from minimum to maximum, you can go to sort and filter here and click on sort smallest to largest. So in this way you can see this has sorted it from smallest to largest, and you can find the rank, or you can sort it in opposite direction also. Just click on this number, any one number, and go to sort and filter and click on sort largest to smallest. So here you can see this A is topper, B is second topper, N is third topper. So that's on this video. Thank you very much for watching this.